In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use emojis in Outlook. If you want to make your email replies feel a little more friendly, expressive, or personal, adding emojis can be a quick and easy way to do that. Outlook makes this simple, and once you know the shortcut, you can insert emojis into your messages in just a few seconds. To get started, open Outlook on your computer. Once Outlook is open, go to your Mail section so you can view your inbox and your existing messages. From there, locate the specific email you want to respond to. This can be any message where you want to add a little extra tone or emotion to your reply. After you find the email, click Reply. This will open the response area where you can type your message back to the sender. At this point, you can begin writing your reply as you normally would. When you reach the spot where you want to place an emoji, that's where the shortcut comes in. To use emojis, press the Windows key on your keyboard and then press the colon key. This will open the emoji panel on your screen. The panel gives you a selection of emojis that you can scroll through and choose from, making it easy to find one that matches the tone of your message. Take a moment to browse the available options and select the emoji you prefer. Once you click on an emoji, it will automatically be inserted into your Outlook reply wherever your cursor is placed. This is useful if you want to soften the tone of a message, add a friendly touch, or simply make your communication feel more human and natural. One helpful tip is to use emojis thoughtfully in professional emails. In casual or friendly workplace conversations, they can be a nice addition. But in more formal situations, it's usually best to keep them minimal. The key is to make sure the emoji supports your message rather than distracting from it. That's all there is to it. Open Outlook, go to Mail, find the email you want to reply to, click Reply, and then use the Windows key plus the colon key to bring up the emoji panel and choose the emoji you want. Once you try it a couple of times, it becomes a very fast and convenient way to add personality to your emails in Outlook. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.